What if I told you that you could double your energy, soothe joint stiffness, and sharpen your balance without standing up once? It sounds impossible, because for years we've been told that real exercise requires pounding your joints, standing for hours, or risking a fall. But right now, thousands of seniors are quietly restoring their daily freedom, unlocking stiff hips and shoulders, and relaxing their nervous system, using a simple 15-minute seated flow that requires nothing more than a standard kitchen chair. To understand why this gentle routine works when traditional workouts fail, you have to look at the hidden mistake millions of people over 60 make every single day. When joint pain or balance fears keep you sitting still, your joint fluid stops circulating, your posture collapses, and your core muscles go completely dormant. Even worse, forcing your body through harsh, upright workouts while stiff creates micro strains in your spine and grinds down fragile joint cartilage. So, what is the exact 15-minute seated sequence that wakes up those dormant core muscles, lubricates your joints, and locks in rock-solid balance from a chair? It isn't an intense cardio session, and it isn't a complex, confusing routine. It is a specialized, low-impact seated Tai Chi activation flow, and the way it instantly recharges your circulation will completely amaze you. When you perform these continuous flowing movements while safely seated, something extraordinary happens inside your body. Instead of triggering pain or fatigue, it floods your joints with rich oxygenated blood, releases tight fascia along your spine, and trains your brain to keep you steady when you do stand up. But here is the catch. 90% of people try chair exercises at home and get zero long-term results because they skip one critical alignment rule. Here is the exact step-by-step method to do it safely right now. First, sit comfortably near the front edge of your chair with your feet flat on the floor, hip-width apart, and your spine tall. Now, before you begin the first movement, stop. This next second determines whether your core actually engages. Instead of slouching back into the chair, take a slow, deep breath, roll your shoulders back, and imagine a golden string gently pulling the crown of your head toward the ceiling. Now, slowly lift your hands in front of you as if floating them on warm water, lifting your chest while keeping your shoulders relaxed. Feel your lower back open up and your core activate all at once to keep your spine straight. As you breathe out, push your hands gently downward and sweep them out to the sides in a wide, fluid wave, letting your ribs expand naturally. If you feel a light warming sensation spreading through your shoulders, back, and legs, do not panic. That warmth is the exact signal that your body is releasing locked fascia and firing up forgotten muscle pathways. If you commit just 15 minutes to this seated Tai Chi flow every single morning, within just a few days, your back will feel looser, sitting and standing will feel effortless, and you'll move through your day with a calm, unshakable confidence. So, are you ready to reclaim your mobility and feel decades younger right from your favorite chair? Hit that subscribe button right now, tap the like button, and drop a comment below letting me know how your joints feel after today's 15 minutes. I'll see you in tomorrow's routine.